Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start. Please remember that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. Today in this video, we will talk about Spooky Shiba. Is it the next 1000x coin? In this video, we will tell you everything that we know of this coin, so you can make your own mind if this coin has a potential or not. So here is everything that you need to know. It is the newest cryptocurrency to hit the market, and it aspires to be the first horror-themed token to be live on the exchanges. Shiba Inu, be on the lookout. You're in for a surprise. Spooky Shiba is a horror-themed Binance Smart Chain token that was introduced in stealth on October 28, 2021, and is now available for purchase. Spooky Shiba token holders will be automatically entered into daily and weekly lotteries, which will feature unique horror-themed scratch card games for the chance to win NFT prizes. The project revolves around the upcoming interconnected NFT Marketplace, in which Spooky Shiba token holders will be automatically entered into daily and weekly lotteries. Frightening Shiba, created by Longung Paul, has ushered in a new era of horror and spooky entertainment for audiences all over the globe. Spooky Shiba is a one-of-a-kind character on the BSC network, and his popularity is growing with each passing day. Because of the release date being around Halloween, many people assumed that Spooky Shiba was only a seasonal token that would be forgotten after the holiday. In reality, as they have shown time and time again, this is just the reverse in truth. It is as their tagline states, spooky season that never ends. Spooky Shiba has almost 11,000 owners, and that figure is increasing on a daily basis. Current marketing funds have been used to secure prominent YouTube and Twitter influencers, advertise on multiple platforms, including major exchange trackers such as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and place advertisements on all major social media outlets, including a billboard in New York City's Times Square, among other initiatives. The current marketing activities have resulted in over 9,000 holders of Spooky Shiba, who have contributed to the current market capitalization of approximately $5 million in little over 1 week. Isn't it a little creepy? Multiple exchange listings, higher profile partnerships and collaborations, as well as the use of all accessible advertising channels will be part of future marketing strategies. Let's talk about Spooky Shiba's marketing tactics, which help you understand why we think it has a 1000x potential. Perhaps the marketing strategies used by Spooky Shiba, the creator of this new cryptocurrency genre, are the reason investors are still interested in participating. A digital billboard advertisement in Times Square, New York City, was launched in its first week. This alone drew a great deal of interest to the project, causing it to rise to the top 10 of the CoinMarketCap rankings in less than a month after the token's first release date. Shiba advertisements have begun to emerge on numerous famous online cryptocurrency platforms, attracting an increasing amount of visitors to them. Although not as well known, one of the most remarkable marketing efforts was a joint venture with Patrick Lehane, a professional mixed martial arts fighter signed to Combat Global. This was the first time a cryptocurrency has collaborated with a professional MMA fighter in the industry's history. Viewers at home who were tuning in to watch the live broadcast on Paramount Plus were able to witness Patrick Lehane wearing the Spooky Shiba emblem on his shorts. After the fight, the creator of Spooky Shiba met with Patrick Lehane and conducted a live AMA with the MMA fighter before presenting him with a set of Spooky Shiba tokens for his collection. Utility and productivity. When it comes to attracting new investors, Spooky Shiba continually goes above and above by putting functionality behind their brand, in addition to marketing and profiting on the horror theme. On their website, they have just launched a new DApp NFT scratch card game that will be linked to their planned NFT Marketplace. Holders of an NFT are allowed to attempt to win 1 or 3 NFTs every 24 hours by linking their wallets to the NFT system. Winners of the NFT Marketplace will get their NFT rewards after the NFT Marketplace has concluded. So, what distinguishes these NFTs from other types of NFTs? Based on the number and kind of NFTs they own, holders of Spooky Shiba NFTs will be able to receive a share of all transactions done in the NFT Marketplace. This enables any sort of investor to generate passive income in the form of BNB. However, this is not their only project at the moment. Spooky Shiba intends to deploy an Ethereum bridge in the near future, allowing Ethereum holders to enter the realm of Spooky Shiba. In terms of the Spooky Shiba realm, this will result in the merging of 2 massive ecosystems into a single one. It's fair to assume that Spooky Shiba is here to stay for the long haul and isn't planning on disappearing anytime soon. Is Spooky Shiba trending lower or higher? Spooky Shiba price today is 0.00000022 with a 24-hour trading volume of $726,347. Spooky Shiba price is up 25.8% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 0 Spooky Shiba coins and a total supply of 1,000 quadrillion. If you are looking to buy or sell Spooky Shiba, PancakeSwap V2 is currently the most active exchange. Investors' Observer data analysis gives Spooky Shiba a good short-term technical score of 99, indicating that the company is well positioned. Short-term technicals are evaluated using a unique rating methodology that is based on current trading patterns over the course of a month in order to assess their strength. The current technical analysis of Spooky Shiba outperforms the technical analysis of 99% of coins based on their trading parameters. When deciding whether or not to invest in a certain cryptocurrency, investors who are mainly concerned with shorter-term investing strategies will find this technical analysis to be the most relevant to their objectives. NFT Marketplace Information. Spooky Shiba is the first token in the horror genre. Recently developed a video game for all players that includes the world's first holder evolution technology, which allows players to influence the future of the gaming experience. The game was available before Christmas in 2021 on Android and iOS devices, and it will be available on the web. And one component of current utility, a scratch card game that utilizes P2E technology, players with a minimum of $100 may play once every 24 hours for a chance to win an NFT, either a legendary, uncommon, or common, from our NFT Marketplace, which will be available in early 2022 when it is completed. The NFT Marketplace will include incredible royalty features that will incentivize token holders to keep their tokens. Half of the NFTs will be made available for purchase on the marketplace at the time of the debut of each set. The first selling pricing will be revealed in the days and weeks leading up to each drop event. NFT sets will be phased out throughout the course of each calendar year, with the focus on scary holidays such as Halloween and Friday the 13th being given priority. So these are all for today, guys. We hope that by now you understand if you like this project or not, and now you can make your own mind. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. If you feel like this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know if we should make more videos like this for you guys, because we care about our community. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great and epic day, and we wish you all the best in the world.